channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Bright Green Corporation, and today the stock is up 1.55%, trading at $3.59. And as of this recording, we have barely 1 hour 50 minutes to the close of market. You can see that today there was a frenzy with this stock, as the volume is typically twice what you would typically see, with about 6.8 million shares that have exchanged hands compared to the typical average volume of just 3.4 million shares that would typically exchange hands. Quick recap, the 52-week range for this stock is from $3.23 all the way up to $58. So just bear in mind that today the stock actually reached a 52-week low, and yesterday was another 52-week low. So if we look at the 5-day graph, you guys can see that the trend has been just downward, starting from about 5 days ago, 5 trading days ago, so Thursday last week till now. The stock has lost at least going to more than 50% of its value from where it was just 1 week ago. There is, I don't know if there's any light at the end of the tunnel, because cannabis stocks are very, very volatile. I say that every time I get a chance, but some people think that in times when people are going through hardship, when there's economic difficulty affecting everyone, gas prices high, inflation rampant, then people they say cannabis stocks do well. That is just anecdotal. I don't know if it's true, but that's what people say. But Bright Green Corporation, which got listed on the 17th of May on the stock exchanges, ran up to $58, and then within 24 hours. And then from there, it's just been a slow, steady slide downward. How low will this go? Difficult to tell. But we can see here on the graph that it's just been sliding downward slowly, ever so slowly, starting from about the 19th of May 2022. So Bright Green Corporation, from what I see on their prospectus and the description of the company, says that they have federal and state legal authority to grow, harvest, transform cannabis, and that cannabis can be used for medical purposes or for research purposes. And they according to the prospectus, they even say that they have authority to export some of those products. So that makes them a very unique player in a field that is still on the fence between legality and what is allowed by the law. However, cannabis stocks have proven to be very popular, even though they are extremely volatile, and many investors tend to flock to these companies because they see this as a growth sector. As more and more states are legalizing the use of these drugs, either for medicinal purposes or for recreational use, we are seeing some of these companies, pop up everywhere, not just in the United States, but in other countries like Canada. So that's the story of Bright Green Corporation. Even as we are recording, just about 1 hour, 1 3/4 of an hour to the close of today's trading session, we see that the stock continues with its decline, sliding ever so slowly, whereas the S&P 500, the Dow 30, Nasdaq, Russell 2000, all those indices of the stock market are doing well. Not just well, but quite well today. So we don't know if we've reached the bottom of this bear market, but things seem to be looking a bit on the bright side, at least if you stretch back for 5 days. Beyond 5 days, it was still a very solid downturn that we were looking at. So let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that the economy is slowly making a recovery. Thanks for your time. Big thanks to all those who have been helping me by subscribing to the channel, and even bigger thanks to those who have been long-term subscribers accompanying me on this journey. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.